morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, April 4, 2023, and we are now on our voyage from Qingdao to Ningbo. So we are experiencing some bad weather today, so we just want to make some documentation for this passage. That the weather is not so good, but still be okay. So I will take some documentation. I will go up to the bridge and make some picture of the weather outside, as the wind is quite strong, but still okay for us. Not so bad, but already strong. Okay, here we go. Uy, lakas na. Malakas na. Yeah. It's quite strong, huh? But they're still okay. No any traffic. Some few small fishing boats around.
This is Motornanga area.
Some fishing boats around. See, some targets around, but the weather is not so good. Oh, see. Documentation, weather documentation. Pati cellphone ko even my cellphone will be blown away with a strong wind. The wind is strong, huh? When I will go outside, so my cellphone will also fly away, going to Skyline Pigeon, Skyline Pigeon, Skyline Pigeon. Okay, see where we are now. Here we are now, position 33.8 north, 12228.4 east. So this is the weather documentation. Everything is ready, everything is secured. So we are ready to face this weather. We are ready to pass through this weather today. have also my handsome guy look out here on the bridge. Also one guy there. So okay, that's all guys, that's our weather forecast for today. Okay, bye bye. See you.